Okay. Inbounding the ball. Catores, pass to Colantes. Colantes na dribbling the ball. Colantes, number 17. Oh! Loose ball, last touch po ang upper tuping. Bola po ng lower west. Inbounding the ball, Amistad. Pass to Carretero. Pass to Tabarejo. Tabarejo ngayon, pinasa kay Carretero. Carretero ngayon, pinasa kay, nakas ng bola. Inagaw ang bola. Inagaw ni Colantes. Pass to Tampok. Tampok ngayon. Nagawa ng bola. Tampok pa rin. Tampok pa rin ang bola. May petang referee. Foul. Carretero. Second on Carretero. Third team foul. Inbounding the ball. Colantes to Colantes. Brother Colantes. Back to Brother Colantes. Colantes 10, 9, 8. May pitang referee. Loose ball. Last touch si Colantes. Dandan. Bola po ng lower west. Tabarejo, pass to Padawan, back to Tabarejo, to Carretero. Carretero ngayon, pass to Tabarejo. Tabarejo ngayon, dumiretso. Yes, for 2 points. Tampok, pass to Colantes. Colantes ngayon ang bola. Colantes, pass to Brother Colantes. Last 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Wala pa rin. Okay, back to Tampok. Tampok ngayon ang bola. Stop. Bola po na lower west. Kasama po yung si Felipe po. Okay, anong remaining time? Carretero. Carretero pass to Tabarejo. Tabarejo ngayon. Wala, rebound. Okay, last touch po ni Amistad. Tampok, to Colantes. To Colantes. Colantes, Catores, I mean. To Colantes. Ten, 9, 8. Okay. Pass break, last pass to Padawan. Yes, for 2 points on Padawan. Tampok, pass to Felipe. Felipe ngayon ang bola. 1 minute. Okay, intercepted by Amistad. Pinasa kay Tabarejo. Nakuha ni Felipe. Pass to Tampok. Yes, for 2 points on Tampok. Last 45 seconds. Ano po yun? Okay. Bola po na lower west. Padawan, pass to Carretero. Carretero ngayon ang bola. Carretero ngayon ang bola. Dumiretso si Carretero. Wala, rebound by Binaldo. Okay, Amistad ngayon ang bola. Shoot! Yes, for 2 points. Last 38 seconds. Tampok. Last 30 seconds in the third quarter. Tampok pa rin bola. 15. Tampok. Pwede ng referee. Blocking foul by Amistad. Second, 1 for penalty. Last 15 seconds. 15 seconds in the third. 10, 9, 8, up. Last 10. May pinang referee palon, Amistad. Penalty. Third on Amistad, penalty. Alright, Tampok will be given a 2 charity throw. First shot. Oh, yeah, for 1 point. Ready jumpers. For the final throw. Yes, to make it 2 points. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,